In this video, I will show you how to create invoice in Microsoft Excel. So click on File and click on New, and here just search invoice and press enter. So guys, here you will see a list of invoice. So according your need and service, your business, you can select any template from here and make changes like service invoice, select it, then create. Here you can add your company's logo and slogan to invoice you send out with this accessible service invoice template. So just click on create. Now change your company name. Company logo, slogan, address, and salesperson job. So type here description, quantity, unit price. Make changes and modify this template according your need. Then click on file and print. If you want to change currency as a rupees or other, so here select currency and select this rupees. Select it, your complete Excel worksheet, and in the currency select rupees, pound, dollar. So which currency are you using, you can select here. Then print it. Also you can save and you can share. Also you can make it PDF. So thanks for watching guys. If you're facing any problem to edit this template, comment, I will try to reply it.